Welcome to Arts and Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about break and continue statement in Python. First, we are going to use a for loop that will be counting for each number in the range 0 up to but not including 50. So 49 iteration of this loop. For number in range up to 50 but not including 50. And now we are going to add if number equals to, we are going to add this would be equal to 10. We are going to add a break statement. So when the value of number reaches 10, this loop will terminate. Now, if the loop has not terminated, we are going to display the value of the number followed by a space. We need a print statement for that. So we are going to add print number and add a space between numbers. Now we can execute this code. Now here's the number printed. We can see that even though we said to iterate 50 total times, we actually only iterated through the values from 0 through 9 before the loop terminated because of this condition over here, where we are checking if number's value is equal to 10, then we are going to break from this loop. And now we will see example of a continuous statement, and I will add another loop for number in range 10 In this case, we are defining a for loop that is going to iterate through the values from 0 through 9. And the way the continuous statement works is when it's encountered in the body of a loop, it immediately terminates the body of the current iteration of the loop and goes back to the beginning of the loop and start the next iteration of that loop. So we are going to add if statement with the if number value is equal to 3, we will continue. So when the value of number is equal to 3, then with the continuous statement, we will skip the next statement and go back to next iteration of our for loop. So we are just going to skip the print for value 3. Here we are printing print number and separate number with spaces. It will print the rest of the numbers. And now we can just save and execute our program. I will also add empty print statements to separate the output. and here we get the number printed. And when we see over here, I need to correct the indentation over here and run our script again. And here's the output for continue. Here we are printing all those numbers, but when we see the number value is 3, we skip the print statement, so that's why you don't see 3 getting printed over here. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.